If I was a land artist, I'd make all kinds of things for you. Paths to walk, diagrams and symbols to decipher, gardens, monuments, shrines, and temples to wander. For us, offerings made of the elements and returned to the elements, poured on the ground, submerged in the water, cast into the fire, tossed into the air, all bathed in light, all aligned with heaven and earth. I've made all of these things in virtual space because I don't want to mark the land permanently, because I want to bring faraway places close to you, no matter where you are, because I want you to see many more things than I see and the relationships between them, because I want this to be shared with people all over our world. The medium through which I've seen a majority of the earth art I admire, photography, is uniquely suited to being seen by many people and to seeing in many ways, occupying a curious space between painting, photography, video, and sculpture. My photographs present many ways of looking simultaneously. Art can be both a window onto the world and a mirror into the self. My images are reflections of different ways of being, inspired by many sacred traditions, and invitations for you to try them both practically and imaginatively. In these enchanting landscapes of the spirit, magical things happen. Bands of light emanate from sky and earth alike. Billowing smoke rises from land and sea. Stones float. Time is extended and frozen, and so much more. Designed to rekindle our most primal ways of being and awaken our most essential natures, these dreamlike visions present the external and the internal, commingled as if one. And they are. We live within the land, and the land lives within us. We are not apart from nature, but a part of nature. We are each small miracles contributing to a much larger miracle. Perhaps on your journey, by honoring the spirit within everything, you may come to find that the presence of a different kind of life and perhaps a different kind of consciousness can be found in the most unexpected places. What we see changes what we know. What we know changes what we see. How we see the land and the images we hold of it inside us reflects how we see ourselves. This self-image changes who we are and what we wish to become. We can learn to see and be more. I invite you to deepen your connection with the natural world. I encourage you to immerse yourself in land with wonder and reverence. In this sacred state of mind, the solutions to many challenges arise spontaneously. Making these images has helped me find my way. I hope they inspire you to make your own images and find your own ways, even if you only imagine them.